Hello friends, good morning. Welcome to our channel Be Smart with RK. Glad to meet you all again in another video. Today's thought of the day is never give up your burning desire due to temporary setbacks or failures. I repeat, never give up your burning desire due to temporary setbacks or goals. Generally, most of the people in the world, everyone wants success and to lead a very successful and a happy life. Everyone has some strong desires to achieve, but most of the people are not attaining their desired success due to in between give up their burning desires. They are not trying to proceed further because of temporary setbacks or failures. Let me tell you one small story which I read some 20 years back, which inspired me a lot whenever I face some setback or failures or some depressions. So this story goes like that. There was one young American lady. She is not having proper education. She has education up to around 10th level. She got married with a guy who is a pilot. Her life went smooth up to 3 years. There is no problem in financial status, everything because of her husband earning good amount and she has the decent life. But unfortunately, due to some accident, her husband expired. Then the financial problem started for her. At that time, she had around two small kids. Because of not having the proper education, so in her husband's company, they offered a small clerk job for her. So with that clerk job, she used to maintain her kids. But the income she is not getting that much to give the proper education. Then she had strong burning desire to provide a very good education at least to her kids. Then she thought, what is the alternative way to gain additional income, because the current income is not sufficient to send her kids to the good schools. So she badly needed some better income. Because of her not having proper education and no other alternate sources, then internally she had once have ability to write some stories. So she is very passionate to write some novel type. So she decided to start writing novel so that once it's published, she can get additional income. But then she decided to write, but she didn't find the time to start her work, because from morning to evening she has to carry on work. Then she has to take care of her kids. She didn't find any time. So she identified her daily routines. Then she identified the time available is only from morning 4 a.m. to 6 a.m. She decided to use that particular time to start her work in writing the novel. Then she started wake up at early morning and she started continued up to 6 a.m. to writing her novel. Then like that she continued up to 6 months and she finished one small novel. Then she has taken her novel to the publisher and it was rejected, telling that it's not good. But she didn't lose her hope, because her strong burning desire is to give better education to her kids. She wants to earn additional income. Then again she continued, wake up early morning 4 a.m. and work up to 6 a.m. to writing the novel. Like that she continued. For every 6 months, she able to finish one novel and she carried to the publisher and again it was rejected. Like that she continued up to 23 times. At the 24th time, a small publisher and started accepted her novel and he started publishing that one. So that 24th novel became super duper success. So from that time onwards, she hasn't set back. She hasn't looked back her setbacks. Then what are the novels she has written before 23? All those 23 novels, then the publisher started coming to start publishing. Then every novel she has written until now becomes a success. And at that time she got very high remuneration no one has got at that time. Also one of the university has offered her a doctorate degree to her because of her work, and also she was offered some education related department. She has given the very high post. So from this story, what happens if she stopped her writing her novel at the because of the so many failures in between, then she might not reach that level. So from this story, it inspires me a lot that whenever we also face some setbacks or failures, then we should not give up. As long as our burning desire is high and our intention is good, we should keep on trying. And through the failures, we have to learn and move forward. We have to enjoy our success path. I hope that this story also helps you to motivate you to start to realize your burning desires without stopping your goals in between. If you feel that this video is useful to you and to others, please do share to others and don't forget to subscribe our channel Be Smart with RK. Thank you very much and see you again in another video. Until then, signing off, Palani Kumar.